Now next is question number D, that is on page number 8. Okay, it is related to abstract noun. Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable abstract noun from the box. Now as I already told you that what is abstract noun. Okay, now abstract noun means that refers to quality. Okay, that refers to feeling of something, happy or sad or whatever, happiness, sadness, like that, thoughts, ideas. Okay, so abstract noun is related to that. So we are going to do the exercise related to abstract noun. Okay, that is on page number 8. Let's start. First one, his dash left a good impression on everybody. Now in bracket they have given some abstract nouns. Can you see? Wealth, priority, determination, honesty, density, courage, curiosity, wisdom and patience. So from that we have to write the correct answer. Okay. Now his dash left a good impression on everybody. Now we can say his honesty. He was honest person. We can say that his honesty. Okay. Why? Because his honesty left a good impression on everybody. He was honest person. So we can write honesty. Okay. Now next, Dickens. Dickens is the name of. So Dickens faced many problems in his. Now we are talking about past. Means when he was small. So is there any abstract noun given in the bracket? Yes, it is given. See, childhood. Okay. So we can write childhood. Dickens faced several problems during his childhood. Now dash is dash. Now this is a famous quote that you might be knowing about. In option you can see that wealth is given, right? And even health is given, right? So what you will write? Health is wealth. Health is wealth. This all are what? This all are abstract noun. It is a quality, ideas, okay, thoughts. Got it? And we can say even feelings, right? Now next, dash. The dash of population for this area is very high. Now in bracket, can you see the word density? Now population is always measured in terms of density. So what we will write? Density. Okay, now completing this project must be our top dash at this moment. Top what? It should be a top priority. Why? Because it is must, important, right? Necessary. So what we will write? Priority. Now next, dash is the serious health problem affecting a large part of global population. Now in bracket, can you see the option in the bracket? Yes, I can see one disease, that is obesity, right? So obesity is the serious health problem. What? Serious health problem. Okay. Now next, dash is a sign of intelligent child. If a child is intelligent, what will be the sign? Now what will be the sign? You know, if a child is intelligent, the child will be curious to learn something new. So is there any word, such word you can find in the bracket? Yes. So the answer will be curiosity. Okay. Now in this way, first 7 we have done. 8th, 9th and 10th will be homework for you. You have to try it by yourself. Brackets are already given. Okay. So try it yourself.